is a land of vibrant colors, landscape and rich heritage. Today we are going to yet another cave, the third and final one of my travel series. Welcome to Roop's Life and Lifestyle. If you're a new friend on my channel or seeing me for the first time, I request you to please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell beside it for meaningful content. Come along as I show you and explore the Elephanta caves. Stay tuned till the end as I give you a complete package of the Elephanta caves and I tell you all details, how to reach there, what would be the fare and all details. So do not skip the video, watch it till the end. That's the Taj Hotel in the backdrop, and this is the very famous Gateway of India, built by the British in early 20th century. It's a prime tourist spot, also a hub for locals, vendors and photographers. And these ferry boats that you see operate every 30 minutes, taking you to the Elephanta. After this 1 hour scenic ride, watching the oil tankers, navy ships and other ferry boats, seeing the Mumbai skyline, admiring it from a distance, chatting up with the foreign nationals, we can almost see the island from a close distance now. Excited to get off and explore this new place. We have reached the Elephanta caves in this launch, as you can see. There are 4 pointers that I would like to mention to you. Number 1, the Elephanta caves remain closed on Mondays for maintenance. Number 2, it takes about 1 hour 10 minutes to reach Elephanta caves from the Gateway of India. Number 3, carry sun protection because it's quite sunny out here. And number 4 is the ticket rate is 260 rupees for Indian national above the age of 7. It's more for the foreign nationals. This is about 1 kilometer walk from the jetty to the village. And you have to pay rupees 5 as entry fee. And in Amchi, Mumbai, it's very unpredictable that it was sunny right now and it's raining, drizzling as you can see. Another handy tip for you, another pointer which I forgot to mention, is that the Elephanta caves opens at 9 AM in the morning and it closes at 5 to 5:30 PM in the evening. So you can make your plans accordingly. The entire stretch is lined with tamarind, palm and mango trees. There is also mini toy train service for passengers to be taken from the jetty to the island. On the way, one can also see several stalls by the locals selling food and drinks. Taking a vada pav break. I'm told that about 1700 locals stay in this island out here, and there is one primary school till class 10 run by the government. There is no hospital, and they have to go all the way to Mumbai, cross the Arabian Sea for any medical emergency. The source of livelihood for these locals is mainly fishing and repairing boats. After paying rupees 5 as entry fee to the village, we start climbing the 120 steps. Those with difficulty can also avail the palki or palanquin service. On the way to the caves, the path is lined with several souvenir shops. The tickets to the Elephanta caves is 40 rupees each above the age of 15 for Indian nationals and more for foreign nationals.
Thank you. Thank you.
The Elephanta caves are a group of cave temples on the Gharapuri island or the Elephanta island in the Arabian Sea. This was constructed sometime between the 5th century and 8th century. Well, the identity of the original builders is still a subject of debate. You might be wondering, why is it called the Elephanta? This name was given by the Portuguese invaders after the discovery of a black stone sculpture of an elephant on the island, which has been destroyed over time. The caves on the island are divided into two groups: a collection of 5 Hindu caves dedicated to Lord Shiva and a pair of Buddhist caves. The first cave is the Great Cave. It is a Hindu cave dedicated to Lord Shiva. Here you can see a cylindrical lingam, the symbol of supreme being and principle of all energy. The colossal figures can be seen, carvings of Shiva is visible, and so is the Trimurti, and Ardhalingeshwar is seen here. These caves, I am told, were originally painted, but now one can hardly see any traces of it. Time did its work, and water found new paths to the cliff, causing damage. After long years of neglect, the caves were renovated several times, and in 1987 it got the World Heritage Site status by the UNESCO. Awareness, protection, and preservation is the key to protect and conserve our national heritage. On that note, it's a wrap for today. If you liked today's content, my effort and presentation, don't forget to give a big like to the video and share it with your friends and family for more awareness. Until next time, take good care of yourself and of the people around you. Stay happy, stay positive, and manifest miracles. Love you lots and lots. Bye bye. See you soon in the next one. Thanks for watching. I purple you.
The island of Elephanta, originally known as Gharapuri, derives its name from a massive stone image of Elephanta now displayed in the Veer Mata Jijabai Bhosle Garden, Victoria Garden in Mumbai. The cave complex of Elephanta comprises total 7 caves. Of them, 5 are in the lower western side, while 2 are at the eastern top of the hillock.
to encourage our children to appreciate our historical and cultural past. One can only protect when there is awareness. So share this video as much as possible. Let people know and understand the rich legacy of Indian architecture. It's time to put a full stop to this holiday. Time to say bye-bye to Vada Pav and Ragra patties. Vacation is almost over and Kolkata is calling us. To all those people who loved the cave series, do let me know in the comment section which aspect did you like best. There is no other happiness like that of travel and experiencing different cultures and cuisine. I strongly believe the quality of your leisure determines the quality of your work. So cheers to more such wanderlust. Bye bye everyone. Thanks for watching.